Look at this little beauty that would have been on Dam's TV. It's got two sun solstice panels in. Shut up, skin face.
You have to restart, aren't you?
No, I'm not restarting. They were awkward because there was no sort of real triangle. You had to just do them. That one's the wrong way. Oh, you can't skim that. Shut up. Yes, I can. And there's this, look at that little triangle there to sort. There's all round here. There's another stupid triangle that weren't really a triangle. Absolute nightmare. Right, well that was the first hit done, and it didn't take so long in this heat. The sun's batting through these pieces of glass and it's absolutely roasting in here. Look at the state to me. Frightening. I managed to get some reveals on, so I've got these reveals, one there, that triangle, a bit of patching at the top. We can't skim that. Shut up. Move, curly mop. And then Liam, he's done a bit in here, lad. As I've sent him in here, he was well happy. He was well happy in here, it's roasting. I like the way he's painted the windows. It's great, that, Liam. Done a cracking job there. Fill them in. Look at that, you scruffy get.
Get it filled in.
Get it filled in and there.
Yeah, well.
And clean the window.
Sure.